Hey friends, I'm Shelly Shoosh. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a grocery haul for my family of 3. If you are new around here, I make weekly motherhood and lifestyle videos. My husband and I have a 2-year-old daughter, and I am presently pregnant with my second baby, and I am 19 weeks actually today. This grocery haul is going to be for about a week's worth of food. I'm going to show you guys my shopping list that I made, and also what I do when I hit like a rut of not being able to figure out what I want for dinner. I did meal plan for this entire week, so there are 5 meals that I will be showing you all the food that I bought for. This video is a collaboration with my friend Sarah from the channel Sarah Joyce. She is a fellow Canadian stay-at-home mom with 3 sweet little girls. She shares stay-at-home mom vlogs and also shares hauls and cleaning motivation. She actually has pretty similar content to my channel and is so real and so kind-hearted. So if you like what you see here on my channel, I know you will love Sarah's also. Go ahead and check it out when you're finished watching my video and let her know in her comment section that I sent you over. If you guys like these types of videos, please give it a thumbs up and let me know you do down in the comments. If you're ready, let's get started. Okay, so first I'm going to share with you guys what my hack is for when I get into a rut and just don't know what to make for dinners anymore. I know a lot of people have tried these meal delivery services. This one is Good Food. So I did this for quite a while at the beginning of the pandemic, and I probably got over 100 meals from them. I kept all of the ones that I really liked or my family enjoyed, and then I just hole punched them and put them in a binder, and I actually color coded them. So the yellow is chicken, the red is for beef, the green is for pork, and then I have a blue tab down there that's for seafood. So this week I needed a couple recipes to get me out of my rut. So I actually chose this spiced beef over sweet potatoes. I'm actually making this one tonight. And I made this one yesterday. I recreated it. I just bought all the ingredients. It was so delicious, like as delicious as I remembered it from last time. So keep your recipe cards and do something good with them. Don't just throw them out, because you never know when you're going to be in a rut for recipes as well. And then from this binder, I just took a couple of the recipes, and then I wrote down a few other recipes. Sorry guys, I'm out of breath because there's a tiny human on my lungs. Then I just wrote down all the individual ingredients that I needed, where I'm going to find them, and then I did actually transfer them into my phone. I just made this hard copy so that I could show you guys. So I'm gonna start over here with all the meat and the frozen and cold stuff so I can get it into the fridge right away because it was quite hot outside. So I did 4 bone-in pork chops. Everything that I have, like I showed you guys before, is all for recipes. I got 2 of the bone-in and skin-on chicken thighs. This is going to be for the Marry Me chicken. I also did 2 ground beef. And then 1 steak that I'm gonna make that steak salad with. My husband, Luna, and I all really love dips. This one's my favorite, the artichoke and Asiago. And then we've also got a baba ganoush. And then Luna really likes hummus, and my husband likes the one, well, I like this one as well, the one with the olive tapenade. So we got 3 dips, and I got lots of points on dips this week, so that was a win. We also use Greek yogurt for pretty much anything that would require like a sour cream. And Luna also likes to have Greek yogurt in the morning with granola and berries. And then I'm also going to use this cream for the Marry Me chicken. And I got just a small milk. None of us drink cow's milk, but sometimes I need it for macaroni and cheese and things like that. So I grab a small one. Ice cream for my husband. Ice cream for myself. We only eat the ice cream once Luna goes to bed. And then I wanted to make spaghetti for dinner on Friday, so I'm gonna use some garlic toast. I never do that, but I just thought that would be like something extra to add with it. And Luna will definitely love it. So most people give their babies like bottles to go down for naps and to go to sleep at night. Luna never took a bottle, but she does drink kefir. So we give her kefir before she goes down for a nap and before she goes to bed at night. So I got 2 of the plain ones. They were actually out of the ones we usually buy. I usually buy 3 of the plain ones and 1 of the flavored ones. but this was all they had. So I got her a strawberry kefir for morning time, and then these plain ones with probiotics for the evening. Okay, so now I've put away all the cold stuff and the frozen stuff, so I'll just quickly go through everything else. I ran out of laundry detergent. I used the Method laundry detergent. This is the unscented one, so this will actually be a 0 on the Think Dirty app. We needed some kitchen garbage bags. Luna needed some diapers. They were out of the ones that we usually get her, so instead of the little snugglers, we went with little movers. And we also are upping the size to size 6 now because she's been in size 5, but she's complaining that it hurts on the sides a little bit. Then we always get her 2 packs of pouches. These pouches are good for when we're in the car. She eats soft corn when we do like a movie night, so this is like her version of popcorn, and they had a sale on them, so those are the last 2 left. And then I ended up getting some of these tomato sticks in lieu of that. And then she always loves her little mixed berry yogurt drops. Now I'm gonna get into the grocery items. So we'll start at the back here. I use these little mini crackers for baby charcuterie is what I call them. Sometimes I make Luna a lazy lunch and I just put some meat and cheese with these and pickles or olives, such like that. I need a bottle of wine for the Marry Me chicken. Sun-dried tomatoes for the Marry Me chicken. I never buy really expensive pasta sauce, but I always hear about the Rouse pasta sauce, and I decided that today I'm going to get it. It's $11.99, which is something I would never spend on a pasta sauce, but they were all out for the first time ever. So we love to watch this show, Lydia's Kitchen, and Luna actually calls her Bubba Lydia when she sees her on TV. So I decided I would go with that, and that was actually $8.99. So I just wanted like an extra kind of sauce. Some Annie's mac and cheese. We already have some in the pantry, so I just grabbed another box to fill us up. We eat butter croissants all the time. They're quick and easy for snacks. I was really feeling like having some angel food cake, so I'm just gonna put some whipped cream and strawberries on that. And then over here we just have cat food. My cat is almost 20 years old, so she needs some wet food as well as dry food. So on days when I'm feeling super nauseous, the only thing that seems pretty appetizing to me are these spicy chicken Mr. Noodles. They take 4 minutes to make, and they don't come back up as quick as other things do. I also got a can of peas and carrots. I use these for Luna's lunches. A couple cans of tuna, some mixed nuts. I got 1 can of spaghetti and meatballs, Chef Boyardee, because I really wanted to eat that when I get home from the grocery store. So as soon as I'm finished filming this, I'm gonna go pop that onto the stove. I got some spaghetti for our spaghetti night on Friday. Oh, I gotta put these in the fridge too. So I got a block of cheese, shredded cheese. We always have a block of cheese and shredded cheese in our fridge. Then we also do some sliced cheese for sandwiches. I recently got into these because if you guys have seen some of my pregnancy videos, like I get into like a midnight snack craving every night. So these are really good. I just come out to the kitchen, I grab one of these, and I go back to bed, and I really like them. They're expensive, but they're worth it for the convenience. Over here, I got some Parmesan cheese because we were out and I need that for spaghetti night on Friday. One of the recipes, I wanted to have some sort of Mexican flavors, and I was looking for something that would say Mexican on it, but they didn't have anything. So I went with this cayenne, paprika, and garlic seasoning. These Stacy's pita chips are our absolute favorite. They are a little bit pricey, but they are so good with all of those dips that we get. Okay, we also needed some Kleenex, and I hate buying Kleenex when it's not on sale. This was $7.99 for 6 boxes of Kleenex, and even the no-name brand ones were more expensive than this one. This was on sale, so I had to get the Kleenex. We got 4 bottles of carbonated water. My husband will make me just like a soda water mixed with lemon juice, fresh lemon juice in the morning, and leave it for me so that I have it when I start feeling sick in the mornings. And then moving on to our produce, I got some sweet baby lettuces for a recipe, the lemons for my water, a bag of onions, some mini sweet peppers, also for a recipe. Then my husband loves this Ready Veggies kale blend. It's got like whole veggies in it, Brussels sprouts and snow peas and things like that, but also mixed with kale and cabbage. We got some green beans, some Little Gems golden potatoes, some strawberries. Strawberries are pretty much the only berry that Luna is into now. She used to be into all berries, but recently she's just stopped eating them. And so we do lots of strawberries. And then I also got this big serving tray, well, I guess serving bowl, because I want to start serving our dinners family style every night. I wasn't sure I was even going to be able to buy it because it's non-essential, but I snuck it in and the lady scanned it for me. So in here we have a watermelon, organic apples, a tomato, a Bosque pear for a pork chop recipe, 1 kiwi because I'm going to try it out with Luna. She hasn't had kiwi since she was a baby. 2 bananas because we already have 3 at home, a couple oranges, and some sweet potatoes also for a recipe. So now on this side, if you've seen some of my pregnancy videos, you'll know that I'm trying to make better options or better choices for snacks, for pregnancy snacks, because I love to snack. I got some Boom Chicka Pop, which is the best popcorn ever. And then I got some more Smart Sweets. They were 2 for $7. They're pretty expensive, but they are amazing and only 3 grams of sugar and 17 grams of fiber in them. So I got the watermelon and the peach rings, which are my favorite. I decided I would try out these sunflower butter cups. And I also got some yogurt raisins. These are good for a snack for Luna. And then my husband loves tortilla chips with all of his meals. He just needs a crunch. So he got some blue corn and some yellow corn organic tortilla chips. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please go on over to Sarah's channel and check her video out after you finish watching this one. I will have all of her details linked down below in the description box. You can follow me over on Instagram at mrs.shelly.shoosh, and I will catch up with you soon in a new video. Bye!